Hi there. In this video, we are going to see the code for AWS Connection that we want to make for our project. So let's delve into the code. So yeah, this is our constants file. We have to first define some constants. So I have written some constants here, which is our access AWS access key ID, AWS secret access key, and region name. Okay. So these constants we have defined inside our constants file. So here is our constant file inside US visa. This is constants, this init.py file. Okay, so we have added the constants. Now let's go to our file, main file, which is AWS connection file, which is inside the configuration. So let me show you. This is our main folder, US visa approval. Inside that we have US visa, and here is our configuration where we have already previously done the MongoDB connection.py file. So there I have created a new file, AWS connection.py file. Let's see the code there. So we are using the Boto tree library. So I have imported that, and we have created a class called S3 client. Okay, so initially it's none, and this is our init function. It will take the region name, and this class gets AWS credential from our environment variable. So we can't write the secret access key and access key in the code because we are going to share the code, right? So the we have to pass it through the environment variable through the terminal as an environment variable, right? So this is that. So it will check if it is none, this or this is none, then it will get the access key from our environment, right? As the environment variable from our terminal. So this is it, and it will store it here inside access key ID and secret access key. And if it is none, it will give a exception, which is environment variable. This is not set. Okay, so I think this is clear. And if secret access key is also none, it will give the exception. And then after if we have the key, and if this is not run, then this will be run, which is the boto3 will be used module, and it will has have this as an input all three, and our it will be storing s3 dot client dot s3 dot resource. Okay, similarly for this is for resource, and this is for storing the client. Okay, so I think this is clear, and both of these will be stored as the self.sv.resource, so as a class variables. Okay, and we will use this in our upcoming codes. Okay, from this function. So now let's test if our code is running properly. So I have commented all the previous demo code that we have written. I have commented it out, and I've added this code from USB the configuration dot AWS connection import S3 client. So we have this class. We have imported this class, and I have just called the class to check if our code is running properly or not. And let me show you. Can you see that? So python.demo.py. I have ran it, and there is no error given. That means it has ran successfully. Okay. So why I'm not showing the whole thing is because if you can see, you can let me show you. Can you see this export? So I have given my access key and the secret key. I have passed it, so I'm not showing the whole terminal, but I hope it is clear that our demo.py is running. Okay, so yeah, in next video we are going to see the AWS storage part and the model evaluation part. Thank you.